Hello guys, welcome back, and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So we'll be continuing with our Obstetrics Examination Revision Series with our next topic, which is amniotic fluid. So if you want to check the previous videos of this series, you can always check it on our playlist on the channel. You'll get all the videos of the current playlist and the series which is going on. So we'll begin with amniotic fluid. So what is amniotic fluid? It's the fluid found in the amniotic sac. The circulation part. Water in amniotic fluid is completely changed and replaced in every 3 hours. Very important. It's changed every 3 hours. The volume. Related to gestational age, it differs wherein it is 50 ml at 12 weeks, 400 ml at 20 weeks, 1 liter at 36 to 38 weeks, and at term it measures about 600 to 800 ml. So these are some important values which you need to remember to write in your 5 markers. Physical features. It is faintly alkaline, low specific gravity. Color. Early pregnancy, it is colorless, pale straw due to exfoliated lanugo and epidermal cells. So the lanugo are the hair found on the newborns. Abnormal color could be due to meconium stain, wherein if it is meconium stain, it will be green, indicating fetal distress. Golden color indicates RH incompatibility. Greenish yellow color indicative of post maturity. Dark colored indicating hemorrhage, and dark brown indicating IUD. Composition. It is basically made up of water, which is 90 to 99%, and solid, which consists of 1 to 2%. Solid constitute organic and inorganic substances. Organic material, proteins, which is 0.3 milligrams percentage, glucose 20 milligram percent, urea 30 milligram percent, NPN 30 milligram percent, uric acid 4 milligram percent, and creatinine 2 milligram, and total lipids 50 milligram percent. Inorganic materials of amniotic fluid are sodium, chloride, and potassium. The suspended particles are lanugo, the hairs, epithelial cells, vaginal cells. The function of amniotic fluid. This is again very important because amniotic fluid is of great importance in for the development of fetus, and it helps a lot for the fetus to develop. So let us look into the functions of amniotic fluid. The main function is to protect the fetus. During pregnancy, it acts as a shock absorber. Very important. The shock absorber. It maintains temperature, distance amniotic sac, and nutritive value. During labor, it helps in dilatation of cervix, uterine contraction, flushes birth canal, and prevents infection. Clinical importance: to measure the health status of the baby and the maturity of the baby. So this was the importance of amniotic fluid, and I hope this video helps you all to remember the 5 marker which is often asked in examinations for amniotic fluid in your OBS paper. And these are some of the important points. Just to recap the amniotic fluid part, the circulation part, it is changed and replaced every 3 hours. The volume, 50 ml at 12 weeks, 400 ml at 20 weeks, and 1 liter at 36 to 38 weeks, and at term it measures 600 to 800 ml. Then the physical features we saw. The color is generally pale straw or yellow straw color, and in early pregnancy it is colorless. Then some abnormal colors which are very important to be remembered, wherein we have the meconium stain, which is green, golden yellow, and the composition again 99% is water. The main important part is the functions, wherein we have to remember that during pregnancy it acts as a shock absorber, and the main function is to protect the fetus, to absorb any shock which could be experienced by mother, which could harm the fetus. Amniotic fluid will help a lot and benefit as a shock absorber. Then it also maintains temperature and the various other reasons which we studied here. So yeah, that's that for this video, and I hope this helps you all out to revise, to study. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and please like, share, and subscribe. It will motivate us to make more and more such videos for you all. So so that's that for this video, and see you all in the next one. Thank you.